Cake has played a highly significant part in history. Indeed, the very mention of it has apparently caused at least one revolution. I'm sure home baking has resulted in many arguments as to whether the final product could indeed pass off as cake at all. So when I recently came across a web app that can apparently end all disputes and from a simple image tell if something is cake or not, I was quite intrigued. I found this via Product Hunt and it was hunted by Chris Messiner. My immediate thought was that maybe through AI it was entirely plausible to develop an app to indeed detect cake in an image. So to test this out, I am going to use the following highly scientific method. Firstly, I'm going to use an image of cake from the internet. Secondly, an image of the former footballer Kaká. Thirdly, an image of someone called Kate, probably Kate Middleton. Fourthly, an image of Marie Antoinette, purely for historical reasons. And finally, an image of home baking gone wrong. So without wasting any more of your time, let's go and check out Is It Cake? But before we do, please subscribe to the channel, like the video.
Time now for the main event.
So we're on the Is It Cake website, and all you need to do to check an image is upload it or simply drag it to the upload button and it will check whether it's cake or not. So I'm going to upload the first image of the cake, and unsurprisingly it says it's cake. So now we're going to check whether Kaká is cake, and oddly enough it thinks Kaká is cake also. So now we're going to check the next image, the image of Kate Middleton. So I'm just going to drag it in and see what it says. And it's saying that Kate Middleton is also cake. So I think there might be something funny going on here. So we're going to quickly check Marie Antoinette, and she's going to come out as cake as well. So we're going to upload the final image, and it's probably going to come back as cake, which it has done, which is not a surprise at all.
And the winner is... We have been hoodwinked, bamboozled, led astray, run amok, and flat out deceived.
My highly scientific experiment has shown that everything is cake, and that I shouldn't take everything on face value and believe AI can detect or do anything. Although with a little bit of code, I'm sure you can detect cake in an image. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and I'll be back with another review.